Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to have an invisible Discord profile. So first, what you'd want to do is get an invisible text. So right here, I have an invisible text here, which cannot be shown on Discord. So just copy that. And now go to your server name or server or username right here. And once you're there, you can now click on edit profile. You could either edit your user profile or your server profile. So for me, I'm going to edit my server profile right here. So you could choose the server, and as you can see, this is my server nickname. I'll replace it with the text that I have and just click on save changes. And boom, I have no server name whatsoever, but although there's a space since I have a text there, which is the invisible text. And if you want to have an invisible profile picture, you could just search up to Google an invisible profile picture, like a PNG or something. So a PNG would be great since it is kind of invisible, like a clear PNG. And what you need to do is go to your profile, click on edit profile, and just click on this so you could edit your image and then upload that invisible image that you want to replace your current profile picture with. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you on the next one.